traders. It is Friday, the opening of the European session, and these are trades that were taken during the Asian markets, and we will stay in these trades through the European and possibly the New York session. Join us today, Pip Locker Master Training at 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Eastern. This is the last day of the promo, so take advantage of this free training. If you are also interested, Live Trade Room is also available from Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 11. You can subscribe. Just go to the website, FX-Northwest. I send out trade signals, call out trade signals in the trade room, and also do Pip Locker Master Training. I also offer Pro Traders Workshop lifetime trade room access as a bonus. These are weekly lessons, 1 hour a week, and they are recorded, and it's a 3-month program. Take your trading to the next level. So, see everyone in the trade room. Thanks. Have a good weekend. If I don't see you in the trade room, thanks for watching.